Chef Miguel, so thank you for agreeing to do this interview with us. And we would just like to ask you first, what were your favorite foods growing up in Peru?
My favorite food is ceviche. I like cabrito. I was living in the coast, so the coast I love to eat seafood and fish.
Which part of Peru do you come from?
I come from Trujillo. It's in the coast of Peru. 8 hours from Lima to the north. Really nice city. Anybody should go there.
Is there anything special about this city you want to tell us about?
Yeah. Spring city of the world, something. The whole year is spring. Is the Miss Peruvian, Miss Universe, Miss World is from my city. 30 minutes we have a Puerto Chicama. Puerto Chicama is the longest wave of the world. And then we have many tournaments of surfing there. Actually living in Huanchaco. Huanchaco is some of the famous tourist beaches in Peru. The big waves. Summer is nice. I don't know, I love it.
Do you surf?
Yeah, I surfing. I surfing a long time, from child I think so, from my 6 until my, before go to Japan, 20s.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. So your town has lots of tourists?
A lot, yeah, mostly we are close to the States, so mostly Americans go there, so then Spain people, because we have a Spain colon there, so it's interesting.
Tell us some of the interesting places in Peru. Have you visited Machu Picchu?
Of course, I like it. Yeah. I cannot leave Peru if I not go here to Machu Picchu, something like this. Mystic. Picchu is half enchant, something like this. You go there,
magic.
Something magic inside. I don't know. You just walking and something cut your attention there. Doubly.
How long would you recommend someone spend in Machu Picchu?
Middle trip, maybe 1 month. 1 month you can say, oh, I've been to Machu Picchu, because you just walking in Machu Picchu has literally many halls, you can go in and you can find something. You can go another place and you can find something. You just walk and whoa, what is this? So it's for discovery. Yeah.
If you were not a chef, right, what would you be? I mean, what is your dream job?
My dream? If I'm not chef, I can be inside one car maybe. I can be mechanic.
Mechanical?
I think so. Mechanic.
The roads in Peru, are they wide or is it easy to go fast on your bike?
Yeah, we have the transnational, it's the Panamericana. It's from Argentina until Ecuador. It's just one way.
How much of South America have you visited?
To visit by myself. Riding cars, bikes, cars. From my 12, 13, because in South America we can drive from 13, something like this. Ecuador, until Ecuador driving, then jumping to Colombia, then turn down for all the jungle, then going to middle. I didn't go until Rio de Janeiro, but I went to the middle of Brazil. Then go back to Peru again. Then Bolivia. Before when I've been to Argentina, I go to Peru, Bolivia, Chile going. Then I go Argentina. Argentina has given me a lot of memories there. My last 1 year. Different skills for cooking, different style life. People is nice. It's anywhere it's nice, but how you are with them, then it's nice to do something like this.
So I understand that you have some interesting stories to tell about football, that you once cooked for Maradona's team.
Yeah, this was when I was working in Colonia. The owner of the catering said to me, hey Miguel, there is the players for the federation. Really? Maradona is there? Maradona is not there, but all the guys is there. So I say, okay, how much is the team? I don't say you should do good for 400, 500 steps every day.
Wow, that's
4
good.
times.
Yeah.
And you have maybe 9 staff. So
That's good.
with 9 staff, that means 4 in kitchen and 5 waitress and
Yeah.
so what's kind of challenging
Yeah.
the big I don't know trial, you know,
Yeah.
because
Pressure.
yeah,
Pressure to do.
and
So what kind of food do
Make
the
it-
footballers eat?
they are simple guys. They love meat. They can say no steak. They love one beef. Talking about 3 kg of beef in one table.
So did you ever meet Maradona?
In Argentina, yeah. I didn't check the heart, but yes, I saw. Oh, there is a guy.
Ah, okay.
Something like this. Oh, the guy's training there every day.
So who would be your favorite national footballer?
Favorite national football right now?
Yeah,
Guerrero.
Guerrero. Chef Miguel, the South American community, is it big in Malaysia? Do you have a lot of friends?
I don't think so. I don't think it's great to see some Peruvians around here in Malaysia. So I think it's few. Just coming here for tourists, visit here in Malaysia, Singapore, something like this.
What are important traits that a chef should have?
Confident in his recipes, confident in the things chef does, confident in their stuff. You don't have confidence in stuff, practically die. So good food is confident in one person and confident in your stuff
Yeah.
to be satisfied yourself.